My dear friends in Jesus Christ, when you visualize things, then there should be supportive orientation. When you have supportive orientation, to achieve your targets, you have to have this methodology. What is the technique that you are going to use? What is the method that you are going to use to reach your goal? For that, you have to have knowledge. You have to study so many different subjects. To become a priest, it's not easy. We have to get through our O-levels, we have to get through our A-levels, then we have to have our degrees and philosophy subjects and the theology subjects we have to cover. And with all the studies, we have to specialize some areas, then only we can speak to people. So if you know the art, if you know the subject, then no problem. If you don't know the subject, if you don't know the art, then how can you handle your situation? You can't motivate others. You can't tell others this is the way that you have to reach. Already you have to reach your goals if you want to tell others. Otherwise they will tell, oh my God, this person is just telling us, but he has not proved in his life. As a priest, without any hesitation, I can speak because I came from zero level and I can tell you without any fear that I have achieved goals and aims. So for that, I have used so many methods. I wanted to get into my own self and I developed myself. And I visualize things and I want to use the correct thing at the correct time with the correct people. If you have chosen wrong people to do things at wrong time, then end of the day, you will become a frustrated being. So if you want to become a powerful being, the methodology is very, very important. Use your methods, you will use techniques. Even to motivate person, we have to train your voice. So without training, without any plan, if you don't know the methods to reach, then you will be stuck one day. No one will need you because you don't have new methods. So that's why when I wanted to develop areas, even the landscaping and everything, all the charitable act when I do, there should be a method to do it. There should be a way to do it. There should be a path to do it. And I can't say, I am just thinking of going somewhere. No, not thinking of going somewhere. If I go somewhere, there should be a meaning. If I build something, there should be meaning. If I develop something, there should be meaning. If I talk to someone, there should be meaning. Meaningless things I can't speak. Meaningless places there cannot be. So it is very, very important, my dear friends, how we are going to plan yourself. When you really plan it, then you are going to succeed and there will be a successful event. That's why the planning is very, very important. How we are going to plan yourself, how you are going to get the support with that planning and get the support from the others to plan how to do, when to do, what to do, with whom to do. God bless you.